Exercise 3 will use the syllable ma, just like if you were saying ma, ma, but we'll say ma 5 times in a row. Ma, 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 ma. And we'll release each ma before we begin the next ma. So we have sort of a staccato touch to the sound. Or another way of thinking of the articulation is that we'll have separation between each pitch. We'll be descending by seconds, and we'll be going from G4 to start down to C4. And for all of these exercises, I will go all the way down to C3 and all the way up to F6. And probably no one will have that big of a range in their voice. But my thought is just go as low as you can, go as high as you can, and either drop out or just flip an octave higher or lower to continue singing for the entire exercise if you would like.